Good afternoon. We're gonna make our version of Carajo. We're gonna use our peanut butter citrus distillers whiskey. So we're gonna go ahead and use 2 ounces of peanut butter whiskey, 1 ounce of espresso, 1 full ounce of liquor 43, and 1 ounce of brown sugar simple syrup. Again, this drink you can serve it up or on the rocks. I'll show you the rocks version. Keep in mind that you put a hot coffee, so make sure you shake it enough and get it chilled. Carajo, perfect after dinner drink. Cheers.